Using Asos gift card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Asos gift card. Now suppose you have an Asos gift card which should look something like that and now you want to redeem it or use it. The process is pretty simple. The back of the Asos card contains a number, so where you can use it. In order to use it, you just have to go to your Google, search for Asos, and then simply go to asos.com. Now here you have to create an account if you don't have one. If you do one, just log in. After logging in, you have to click on your profile and it will open up this menu. There you have to click on this My Account. Now in My Account, you just have to click on this gift cards and vouchers. Now, as you can see, you can actually buy a gift card right here, or you can add a gift card. If you do have one, just click on this add gift card and then simply select if you want to add a gift voucher or gift card. Just select on gift card and there you go. You will be able to put your gift card code right here. Once you have added it, you will get some funds into your Asos account, which you can use to place an order. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.